Welcome to Manifested Publishers.
So let's start by looking at the characteristics. One of the characteristics of kingdom fungi is that the fungi are made of a basic unit that is known as a hyphae. So basic unit of a fungi, or the smallest unit of a fungi, is a hyphae. Into brackets, hyphae in plural. So hyphae is the plural of hypha. Now, what does this hypha mean? You'll find that most fungi, they have filaments. There are some filaments that grow into the substrate. We refer to them as rhizoids. We have others that go on the surface horizontally on the substrate. We refer to them as stolons. We have others that grow vertically. We refer to them as sporangiophores. So all those filaments, they are the ones that we are saying the basic unit is called a hypha, or the smallest unit is called a hypha. Many are called hyphae. Now, when those hyphae are collectively, they are collectively merged together, they form a vegetative body that is known as a mycelium. So we can say that collectively, the hyphae form a vegetative mass called a mycelium. Now, to understand that better, we are going to have a diagram of a mycelium. A diagram of a mycelium consisting of several hyphae. As I have said, there are those that grow downwards into the substrate. There are those that grow on the surface. For example, if it is bread, those molds that grow on the bread. In fact, we can even add here that another example of kingdom fungi is the Rhizopus mold, so that it is easier to identify. So Rhizopus is a type of a mold. For example, the bread mold, the mold that grows on the surface of bread when it becomes stale.
Welcome to Manifested Publishers.